guys, I'm Oliver. So today I'm going to be showing you this 12-inch Hunter oscillating table fan. This fan has 3 speeds and it oscillates as I mentioned before. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the fan on for you guys. This fan starts on high speed. This fan works really nicely. It actually sounds pretty cool too. Alright, so now I'll flip it to medium. So as you can see, it actually gets really quiet on medium. This would be a good fan to sleep to. Alright, so now here's low speed. As you can see, it's really quiet. Something I like about this fan is that, well, I like its all metal construction. You can buy this fan on Amazon. And we'll go back up to high speed and I'll show you it oscillating. So as you can see, it's got a nice slow even pace to get the whole room. Alright, so now I'll give you guys a spin down. So yeah, this fan's got a pretty good spin down time to it. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys the sides of the fan. Here's the left side, here's the rear, here's the right side, and we're back to the front. So there you have it, guys. My 12-inch Hunter oscillating table fan. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.